Today, live from the Box Center in Tulsa, Oklahoma, it is IFL action at its finest as the Tulsa Oilers take on the Green Bay Blizzard. Green Bay Blizzard's coming in at 3-2. Tulsa Oilers are 2-3, I believe, maybe 3-2, but it's going to be a great game. And my pick is the Green Bay Blizzard will go into the Box Center and come out victorious with a win. Andrew Mavis, the kicker for the Green Bay Blizzard, is on fire with the deuces. Just call him Mr. Deuce. And the game is going to be a barn burner. Blizzard come out on top, 72-71. Blizzard over the Oilers. Go Blizz!